Welcome back guys in this another video. So guys, today's topic of our video is Gujarat's culture and heritage and their tradition. So first would be foods of Gujarat. Second one, dresses of people of Gujarat. The next one, art and craft of Gujarat. Festivals of Gujarat. The next one is occupation of people of Gujarat. So friends, if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, like the videos and give your comments. Thank you for watching my video.